àní là ń gbé lárugẹ Ọlọ́run àní là ń gbé lárugẹ ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Hello. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa, tí ẹ ti ń wò wá. Fúnmi Kútì ní orúkọ tèmi. Àtúndélé ní lórí ètò wa èdè àti àṣà Yorùbá. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. We are here on our program Èdè àti àṣà Yorùbá. Ìníolúwa is here with me today. Last week, we talked about tone mark. And tone mark is a very broad topic. So we are continuing on tone mark today. Tone mark is very important in Yoruba sentence or each word. Why is it important? It's very important because when we don't put the right tone mark, we tend to change the meaning of the word that we are trying to say. That is why we are continuing on this topic, the tone mark. Àmì ọ̀rọ̀. Àmì ọ̀rọ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá ó ṣe kókó, ó ṣe pàtàkì. Nítorí ẹ̀ ni a ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú lórí àmì nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ní èní. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a máa ń fi àmì sí lórí, àwọn lẹ́tà, àwọn yẹn ni à ń pè ní vowel. So we put the tone mark on vowels, and those vowels in Yoruba, we know them as A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Àwọn àmì yìí, òun ni a máa ń fi, àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni a máa ń fi àmì sí ní orí. Bá a ṣe ń kọ wọ́n, bá a ṣe ń pín wọn, a ó máa ṣàlàyé gbogbo rẹ̀ ní ìkọ̀ọ̀kan sí bá a ṣe ń bá ètò náà lọ. Nítorí àsìkò, a ó máa lọ sínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a fẹ́ fi àmì sí ní orí àti bí a ṣe ń pè wọ́n, ìdí tí a fi ń pè wọ́n, bí a ṣe ń pè wọ́n. Ìníolúwa bá wa fi ìlù pè àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí. Àkọ́kọ́, ṣíbí. A ó máa pè nípa ṣíbí. Ilé. Ilé. Bàbá. 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 Ká tó máa tẹ̀síwájú bá a ṣe ń fi ìlù pè àwọn àmì sórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kó yé wa nílé ẹ̀yin ará ilé wípé tí a bá fẹ́ fi àmì sí orí ọ̀rọ̀, a ó pín ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí wẹ́wẹ́. Tí a bá pín ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí wẹ́wẹ́, tí a ń pè ní syllable. Tí a bá ti pín sí wẹ́wẹ́, a ó pè sí inú ara wa ká tó pè síta. Àmì yìí tí a ń fi sí orí ọ̀rọ̀, ó lè jẹ́ àmì òkè tàbí ohun ìsàlẹ̀ náà ó fi pè tàbí ohun àárín. Just like I explained last week, we can categorize these words into the way we pronounce word, or the sound, the pitch at which we make them into 3 categories. The first one is high pitch, low pitch, and we have the moderate or neutral pitch. That's why we call them do, re, mi. Do, òun ni àmì ìsàlẹ̀. That is the low pitch. Re is like a neutral in between. Àmì àárín. Mi, òun ni àmì òkè. Ohun òkè. High pitch, which we know as high pitch. So let's continue as we go along. Èyí tó tẹ̀lé ni ìyá. 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 Do, mi. Ẹyẹ. That is rere. Iṣẹ́. Iṣẹ́. That is work. Àgbàlagbà. Àgbàlagbà. Ọmọ. Ọmọ. Rere. There is no mark on omo at all. So that is why it is called rere. Owo. Owo is remi. Remi òun ni owó. The next one is alágbára. Alágbára. Remi mi re. You can see by the time we split this word and we divide it and we call it within ourselves before we say it out, this way is going to help us to learn how to know the right word to pronounce. So the next one we are going to go into now is why it is very important for us to differentiate Yoruba word, because if you don't differentiate it, it's going to give a totally different meaning. So examples of those ones, we are going to be talking about those ones now. The first one is Ilu. Ilu. Inioluwa, can you give us the sound for that? Ilu. You can hear that. Do. Ilu. The next one is Ilu. What differentiates Ilu and Ilu is the tone mark. Without the tone mark, both of them are spelled the same way. That is why the tone mark is very important. The next one we are going to talk about is Ishe. Ishe. Ishe is work. Then the next one is Ishe. Ishe. Can you see? Ishe and Ishe. Ishe is work. Ishe is poverty. So there are two different things, but they are spelled the same way. But the tone mark help us to differentiate them. The next one is Eje. Eje. Eje is dodo. But the next one is Eje. Eje. Eje is covenant. Can you see now that Eje and Eje, they are spelled the same way, but what differentiates them is the tone mark. So that is why the tone mark is very important in Yoruba. The next one is awesome. Awesome. Redo. Awesome. Awesome. Awesome is orange. Then the next one is awesome. Awesome. Do-mi, awesome, which is afternoon. So can you see what we are talking about? Awesome. Awesome is the same spelling, but the tone mark differentiates what we are trying to say. So that is why it's good to know the tone mark of each word. The next one that I'm going to talk, which is going to be the last one for today, is Oko. Oko. Oko is husband, which is the tone mark on top of it is Rere. Then next one is Oko. Oko, which is car in Yoruba. Oko is not as car. So Oko is Redo. The next one is Oko. Oko. Remi. Oko. Remi. That is hoe, the hoe we use in farming. So the last example, as you can see from this last example we are giving, we can see that the last one is Oko. 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 It is the tone mark that differentiates everything for us. So I think with this example we have been able to give today, we can go on and on. But with this little example we have given, I hope our viewers at home will learn more from this, and they will be able to continue the discussion. Thank you very much. So, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nílé, a ti sọ nípa àmì orí ọ̀rọ̀ ní èní, a sì ti sọ àwọn àpẹẹrẹ oríṣiríṣi, a sọ ìlú àti ìlù, a sọ iṣẹ́ àti ìṣẹ́, a sọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àti ẹ̀jẹ́, a sọ nípa ọsàn àti ọ̀sán. Èyí tá a sọ gbẹ̀yìn òun ni ọkọ, ọkọ̀ àti ọkọ́. Ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin wọn tí a fi ń dá wọn mọ̀ ìyàtọ̀ tí a fi lè pè ní èdè Yorùbá òun ni àmì orí ẹ̀. So àmì yìí ó ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe kókó. Ní ibí yìí ni a ó fi àdàgbà ètò wa tì sí ní èní títí di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Onílù wa ìní olúwa ó ṣe púpọ̀. Ó di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀. Ó dìgbà kan náà. Ire o. Thank you so much. Bye. Ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Àlọ́ ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ.